Just in, naglabas na ng report ang Commission on Audit patungkol sa opisina ng Vice President. Unqualified opinion lang naman ang naging report ng COA. Ibig sabihin, clean, malinis. So nasaan ang sinasabi ng mga nag-file ng impeachment case laban kay Vice President Sara na magnanakaw daw at hindi nagagamit ng tama at maayos ang pondo ng Vice Presidente? Galing na ito mismo ng Commission on Audit. Talagang lalong mababasura lamang ang kanilang ginawang impeachment complaint. Basis for unmodified opinion. We conducted our audit in accordance with international standards of supreme audit institutions. Our responsibilities under those standards are described in the auditor's responsibilities for the audit of the financial statements section of our report. We are independent of the agency in accordance with the revised Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Commission on Audit officials and employees, together with the ethical requirements that are relevant to our audit of the financial statements, and we have fulfilled our other ethical responsibilities in accordance with these requirements. We believe that the audit evidence we have obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide a basis for our unmodified opinion. Inilabas na ng Commission on Audit ang kanilang independent auditor's report ng Office of the Vice President. Unqualified, unmodified opinion. Ibig sabihin, malinis, walang bahid ng korupsyon, hindi magnanakaw ang Office of the Vice President. Ngayong malinis sila sa COA, siguradong maghahanap na naman sila ng butas para siraan ng Office of the Vice President. Kaya't ang mga ipinaglalaban ng kakamping nangiwi na ito na si Percy Centanio ay mababaliwala lamang at mababasura.